laughing.
It's funny.
Stop laughing,
all right,
kid.
ready? Oh my God, we're so scared. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Jeez. Will you stop laughing? I meant to put duct tape over your
I
mouth.
want to get this over with, but this
Yes.
is pretty fun.
Okay, Viv, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, Vivian, please stop laughing.
Okay. I'll try my hardest. It's like a try not to laugh
Okay,
challenge.
I know, but you're laughing, so I'm gonna have to laugh. Okay. Okay, again.
All right,
Okay,
come on,
get this up
you guys got this. Ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Ready? You okay?
Okay,
3.
I'm
3.
We're gonna get this done.
All
That's
right.
been the hardest. We think this is the hardest shot yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
That's my fault.
How about I turn around?
It's not your fault. I'm not laughing at you.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
What are you doing? How about this?
Don't get the duct tape!
No, I'm getting duct tape. Getting gum. Easy. Put it in your mouth. Do it. It'll prevent you from laughing. Maybe.
Wait, give me some gum.
I know. That's what I'm doing.
All right. Now, you're gonna try it with gum?
Yeah.
You don't chew it while you're going. Just like,
Just don't spit out the gum.
just have it in your mouth.
All right.
Okay,
You guys
ready?
got this? You guys strong?
Yep, we're strong.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2.
That was fine. She's laugh. Hold it and not let it out, okay?
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
3, 2, 1.
Why'd you laugh?
I don't know. It's so hard.
All right, guys. Just
Take 1 million.
Jibba.
ready?
If only we had those really, you know those balls? Those like really spicy, the guy that has the face on, like,
Oh yeah.
yes, we had that in our mouth, and then he wouldn't be laughing. He'd be like,
I have one of those. But
we're not looking for it. Let's go. Let's go, kid.
All right. Ready?
Okay. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on, no laughing.
Okay.
No
Okay.
laughing.
Maybe.
3,
Okay.
2, 1.
Here, I have an idea, guys. Don't look each other in the eyes. Look at your chins, okay? Look at your chins, because if you look in the eyes, you're done.
Okay.
Try that. All right, Viv. Ready?
Okay.
Here back. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Close. Okay, close. Come on. Ready? Try it again.
Good.
3, 2,
It's you that's laughing.
3,
Okay.
2, 1. That's what we're gonna get.